Presenting the 2006 Dodge Magnum. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: air conditioning, front airbags, front dual airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, traction control, child safety locks, child seat anchors, rear spoiler, security, engine immobilizer and steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.